Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Pond's Moisturizing Cold Cream, which is suitable for dry to very dry skin. And you can use it to hydrate, soothe and protect the skin from moisture loss, and you can use it daily in the morning and or evening, or whenever you feel the need. Now, when using it in the morning and or evening, I highly recommend applying it to a freshly washed and clean face, so that you're not going to apply the moisturizing cream on top of an excess oil, dirt and sweat, so that it's not getting trapped. Otherwise, this can create irritation, may even lead to sensitivity and clogged pores. So you want to make sure that you're choosing a cleanser that's suitable for your skin type. So if you do not have one yet, you can see some great examples that I can recommend. And then once you're done with washing your face, you then should immediately apply Pond's Moisturizing Cold Cream on top, so that you can lock in that moisture. And so this is now the little example skincare routine that I want to share with you. So as an example, I'm going to use Cetaphil's Gentle Skin Cleanser, and you can apply this one on dry skin, remove it the dry way, or add it with water. And so depending on the cleanser you have, please make sure to read on the back of the packaging on how you should use it. In this example, I'm going to apply to dry skin, and then I'm going to rinse it off with water. And when working with water, I recommend using lukewarm water to warm water, so avoid hot or too cold water, otherwise it may make your skin drier or create sensitivity. And you can wash your face above the sink or in the shower. Now, when washing your face above the sink, I highly recommend using a soft, clean microfiber washcloth. Those are very gentle ones, so don't panic, there's no rough side on it. And you kind of wet it and squeeze it out, and then use it to gently swipe across your face and neck to remove any last traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup. Or since you have already dry skin, you may experience some dead skin cells as well, which are the little flakes. Well, this can also help you to let go of them much faster. So let's go ahead and do this. So now go ahead and take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water from the skin surface. So now once you're done with your cleansing step, you now should immediately follow on with the application of your Pond's cream, because while I was washing my face, my skin was able to absorb some water. I removed the excess water from the skin surface. Now my skin is still damp, and I want to lock in that moisture so that my skin is going to stay hydrated for much longer. And so when using the Pond's cream, you have like between 1 to 2 minutes where your skin stays damp. If you're waiting longer, your skin starts to dry even further, where you can then lose some of those benefits. But nonetheless, when applying it to the skin, you can apply it evenly all over your face and neck, or just on a specific area. So let's say you have an oilier T-zone, but you have dry cheeks, then just apply to your dry cheeks. This is fine as well. So you can really adjust it based on your individual concerns. But now for this demonstration, I'm going to apply it evenly all over my face and neck. So go ahead, take your clean finger and dab into the jar. Now the amount can be adjusted depending on the area that you want to cover. Just make sure that you have an even and a protective layer all over. So I'm going to use about that much, more or less. It can be adjusted for sure. Rub your fingertips together and then blend it all over. When it comes to the amount, please do not overdo it. This is also not the point of the cream. Just make sure that you can evenly protect the skin. And so once you have applied it all over or just in the affected area, you're going to leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. And that's basically it when it comes to my little example skincare routine that I want to share with you. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this video, that you find it helpful. And if you did so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it with your friends. And if you now want to learn more about skincare, I'm going to leave some of the videos at the end of this video. But other than that, I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye!